this is the answer. This math is very from the very beginning we can think about this math again. Number 8. Read the math carefully, then I will solve it. What has been said here? In a class, the number of girls is 20% more than the boys. There is a class. There is a class. This is a class. There is a class. In this class, there are boys and girls. Boys and girls. This side is the boys and this side is the girls. In a class, the number of girls is 20% more than that of the boys. Girls is 20% more than the boys. That means if the boys is 100, the girls is 120. Girls is 120. That means girls is 20% more than the boys. This is the class. There are boys and girls. If the boys is 100, then girls is 120. That means girls is 20% more than the boys. This has been said in the first line. The total number of students is 66. The total number of students 66. So if the boys is 100, then girls is 120. That means boys and girls ratio equals 100 is to 120. If we subtract it, we get 5 is to 6. The boys and girls ratio equals 5 is to 6. If the boys is 5, then girls is 6. Total portion. That means if the boys is 5 part, girls is 6 part. That means 5 plus 6 in total 11 part. In total 11 part, 11 portion. Out of this 11 portion, if the boys number is 5, girls number is 6. That means if the boys is 5 parts, girls is 6 parts. Total is 11 parts. Total students 66. Total students 66. Boys is out of 11 part, boys is 6 part. So we can get the value 6 for 11, 11 for 6. 6 for 6, 36. So the number of out of 66 students, boys is 36. Similarly, girls equals to out of 66 students, total part 11 part. Out of 11 part, girls is boys is 5 part. Boys is 5 part. That means 30. Girls is 6 part. That means 36. 11 for 6. 6 for 6. 36. So girls is 36. From the very beginning, we can think about this math again, because this math is very important for this kind of exam. If the boys is 100, the girls is 120. Because in the question there has been said girls is 20% more than the boys. So if you take the boys is 100, the girls is 120. 120. If you divide, then you get 5 and 6. 5 is to 6. That means boys 5 and girls 6 with this ratio or this part. 5 part and 6 part, in total 11 part. Out of this 11 part, 5 plus 6 in total 11 part. Boys and girls total 11 part. Out of this 11 part, boys is 5 part. Out of this 11 part, girls is 6 part. Total number of students 66. Out of 66 students, boys is 5 part of 11. Total number of 66, boys is 5 part of 11 part. Total 11 part, out of 11 part, 5 part is boys. That means 30. Similarly, total students 66. Total part 11 part. Out of 11 part, 6 part is girls. That means 36. So at last we get boys 30, girls 36. The total number of students in class was 66. And this 66, if you divide with 5:6, you get boys 30, girls 36. Okay, and next there has been said the total number of students is 66. Then if 4 more girls are added, 4 more girls, if you add 4 more girls, then girls will be 36 plus 4, that means 40. What will be the ratio of boys to girls? Then the boys to girls ratio equals boys will be 30, girls will be 40. That means 3:4 will be the ratio of boys to girls. Okay? And this is the answer. This math is very, very important for GMAT, GRE, ACT, SAT, Civil and Public Service, with different academic maths, quantitative and competitive exam, bankings and IBPS. Okay? Very, very important this math is. If you can understand, then it's good. If you can't understand, then watch the video lesson again. If you need a job, if you sit for this kind of exam, then practice the math following my PDF sheet. Okay, I will provide you PDF if you knock me.